Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Xbox app error and resolve the try the update again something went wrong issue on PC easily.
Fix 1. Reset Microsoft Store Step 1. Press 1 plus R, type stress it, exe, and hit Enter. Step 2. Wait for the store to reset and reopen automatically. Step 3. Try updating the Xbox app again. Fix 2. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 2. Find Windows Store Apps and click Run. Step 3. Follow instructions and restart PC. Fix 3. Check for Windows updates. Step 1. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Step 2. Click Check for updates and install any pending updates. Step 3. Restart PC and try updating the Xbox app. Fix 4. Reinstall Xbox app. Step 1. Open PowerShell as admin. Step 2. Run Get Axe Package Xbox app. Remove Axe Package. Step 3. Reinstall from Microsoft Store and try update again. Fix 5. Clear Microsoft Store cache folder. Step 1. Go to C /users /your user /app data /local /packages /Microsoft. Windows Store _8 wekib 3d 8 bui /local cache. Step 2. Delete all files inside the folder. Step 3. Restart PC and try updating Xbox app.